Hi guys, welcome back. Today I want to talk about color fading and what we can do at home to protect our hair color from looking drab. So one of the first things, I'm going to kind of go in order of how we normally do our hair and what products that we normally use. One of the things that I absolutely love is Color Extend Bonder. You use this the first 2 weeks after you get your hair colored, because in those first 2 weeks your color fades the most. So it's a before shampoo treatment, shampoo and conditioner. What it does, it strengthens the hair, protects your bonds, and causes that fading to stay, to not happen really. Well, it happens a little, but not much. Next products I want to do are some leave-in treatments. Redken's One United and Pureology's Color Fanatic. Both are fantastic options. One of the things my clients don't really know is that sun causes fading and has damage. These both have sunscreen in it. That really helps protect from the fading going on. And they have anti-fade protections. Great treatments for your hair. Next, heat damage. We normally either blow dry, use thermal, flat irons, and curling irons to style our hair. We use both or one or the other. For blow drying, we love Pillow Proof Primer. It protects the hair up to 450 degrees from the blow dryer heat. They are fantastic. They prime the hair. We love them, and it's going to help with that fading. Next is our thermal protections. We have Iron Shape and Hot Sets. Hot Sets is a little bit stronger. It has a little bit stronger hold for those curls, for flat ironing your hair. Sorry, I get tongue-tied. And so you're gonna feel it a little bit more, but both protect up to 450 as well, like the Pillow Proof Primer does, but this is for flat irons and curling irons and wands. Next is what we sell here and what we recommend is Sam Via's flat iron. We love this because there is a setting for color treated hair that is the setting is under 400 degrees, which if you're going over 400 degrees, it's going to damage your color. It's going to help it fade quicker. So it's great to have an option that has for color treated. The last thing is, and I probably should have mentioned this when we were talking about Color Extend Bonder, is hot water opens your cuticle so your color fades quicker. If you wash your hair in cold water, it helps keep your cuticle closed, so that way the color doesn't release as much. These are some quick things that you can do at home to help extend your color. Thank you for joining us. Like this video, follow us, subscribe, leave a comment. We would love to hear from you. Have a great day.